Howdy, here's a video from your friendly handyman. As you know, I press this thing and it's humming. You hear the humming? So when you hear the garage whistle humming, you just come to the bottom of the disposal and you go under there. You put the Allen wrench under there, beside there, and then you just break it loose. Break it loose. And then get it unstuck. Whatever it was clogging it. And now I hit the switch. It's working. And there's also a reset button under there. So if it's doing nothing, sometimes it just might be tripped. Like a breaker. Let's see that red button right there? That one too, oh, that's another one. It's a handyman tip for garbage disposal. Until next time, peace out from your friendly handyman.